Okay, a few days back I released a video on how to run the Metal Slug Mission 1 demo for the Atari ST. Since that demo program doesn't seem to natively support joysticks, I promised to release this follow-up video on how to use shortcuts in the Steem Atari emulator. So let's take a look. Here you'll see those keystrokes for this program and how they are mapped for the on-screen movement you'll need for playing. As you can see, the normal WASD is used, with the W to point up, the A to move left, S to squat down, and the D to move right. Then the N key is used to shoot, the B key to throw bombs, and the M key is to jump. Of course, any of these keys can be used in combination with each other or in combination with the WASD keys. But what if you're a joystick or controller player, especially since a lot of the old Atari games were played with a joystick? Well, all you need is a joystick or controller, wired or wireless, that's attached to your Windows system in the Steem Atari ST emulator. Okay, so here's the game during normal operation using the keyboard. But even if you have it mapped here in the joystick mapping system in the Steem emulator, it doesn't seem to be enabled in the game. But there's a solution using Steam's shortcut function. Instead of using the joystick icon in the Steam's upper right-hand menu, you click on the lightning bolt instead. That will bring up the shortcut menu. Now what you see here are the predefined keys for the normal ST keys with help, undo, and those things that are already set up for you in Steem. So now to create a new set of shortcuts, you go up here to the new shortcuts key up here and it'll create a new entry. So click on that, there it is, and you name it whatever you want. In this case, I'm going to just say WASD. Now you notice that when you create it, it has a little X next to it. That means it's not activated. The default one's activated, but the WASD is not. Now in this example, I'm going to map the left key to the movements in the game, the WSAD movements. And you'll notice that I'm going to exaggerate the moves. So you notice here that if I click in the first box and press the up on the controller, it maps that particular function to that line. Then all you have to do each time you complete a line is click on the Add New button below that to add as many keystrokes as you want. So the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to do another one of the WASD keys. I just simply click here again, press it off to the left, come over here and click on the A button and do that. And I just continue down the road, pressing now down, and that would of course be the S key. And then finally we'll go over here, press to the right, and you'll see that it's the D key. So we're all mapped as far as the left stick goes. Now in this case I'm going to continue on with the button mapping, but there could be all sorts of keys. In this case I'm going to press the A key, okay, and that, as we saw in the demo, is the N key for fire. Come over here and click on the B key, let's say, to click on that one for the bombs. And boom, there we go. And then one more key. We're going to go and press the yellow key to go ahead and do the jump. Now the last thing you have to do is enable the shortcuts that you want to have. You notice here I'm going to disable the default and enable this one so it'll be used. And when you click on this to close it, it'll warn you to save it. Go ahead and save. So now we're ready to use it in the game. Now I'm just going to demo the A key, but if you watch here, you're going to see that if I press on it, he should be able to fire, and you'll see the keystroke light up on the top keyboard. So let's go ahead and go, and sure enough, there he is shooting, and there's the A key. So there you have it, how to create mappings for any combination of games and keystrokes you want to have on the Steem ST emulator. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. And if you want more, you can just click on subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can also follow me on Facebook or Twitter. The links are in the description of the video.